on the other side of the internet. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today I decided to give myself a makeover. This makeover is going to be inspired by Blackpink Jennie's new look in Kill This Love. This is my attempt of giving myself a makeover, so I don't know how it's gonna turn out. Thank you for joining this journey with me. Now let's get started. First, I already primed and moisturized and prepared my face for this new look. Today I'm gonna conceal my face a lot to create the nice skin that Jennie has. This is a lot of concealer. Let me know who's your favorite member in Blackpink. I want to say I don't have a favorite. I think they're all so pretty, and I like their songs. I like their dances. I like that they all look so skinny and so pretty. I'd be really happy if one day I wake up as skinny as Lisa. I'd be worried actually if I wake up that skinny. I'd probably go to my doctor immediately. Not because I think that's too skinny, but because losing that much weight overnight, it's kind of scary. Skin looks nice. Alright, next I'm gonna move on to my eyebrows. I'm using my eyebrow gel from Anastasia, and I'm going to fill in my
bald brows.
From the picture that I have of Jennie, it looks like her brows look pretty natural, so I'm just gonna follow my natural shape. Alright, eyebrows are done. We are gonna move on to eye makeup. I'm actually a little scared of moving on to eye makeup because I'm no good at eye makeup. I'm just gonna try to create this look. The eyeshadow palette I'm using today is Urban Decay Born to Run. Alright, I'm scared. First, I'm going to use a priming color, which is Weekender. She has very obvious cat eye makeup in her video, so I'm trying to go up a little bit to create the cat eye shape. This color is deeper than I thought. I think it's probably because I didn't clean my brush properly. We're already off to a great start. I think they're kind of uneven, but it's okay. The key is the confidence. Hey, my camera just cut off. When I watch YouTube videos, I always hear YouTubers say,
my camera just cut off. My camera just cut off.
And it happened to me. Oh my god. I feel like I made it. I'm silly. Don't take it seriously. Now we're gonna move on to a deeper color, and I decided to use the color Smog, and I'm going to apply to the outer corner first and extend it to the inner corner. Whoa, it's kind of intense, but I like it. Wait, that doesn't it's okay. I'm going to blend it. Actually, that doesn't look bad. Or am I crazy? Can you see it? Alright, I'm pretty sure I messed up with that one. It's okay. I'm going to blend it with the blending brush. Wipe it with my fingers. Bottom of my eyes. I'm gonna be so careful. Just the outer bottom. Just a little bit. That's not bad. Just a little bit. You're doing great. Now let's move on to a darker color. It's just getting scarier and scarier for me. It's called Good As Gone. Pretty dark. Just start small and slow. Extend the area. Hey, I think I did it. Did I do it? I think I did it. Probably did. I feel like this video is gonna be a big fail, but it's okay. I can't give up. I'm already looking like this. What else can I do? Can't give up. I can't give up. Okay. I'm being so dramatic. I'm gonna connect the bottom to the up to create the cat eye shape, and then I'm going to blend it in a little bit more. I just love blending. No matter how bad it looks, after you blend it, it gets better. It doesn't get good if it starts really bad, but it gets better. Alright, now I think she has some shimmery light highlight color. I'm going to use this color. I'm just gonna use my finger. Wow, why is this so orange? blend it. And then I'm going to use my tattoo eyeliner from Kat Von D. I feel like eyeliner could always save bad eyeshadows. Hopefully I can save the bad eyeshadows. You draw a wing. I can't talk when I'm doing my eyeliner, so please enjoy the silence. I'm going to use my flat top brush and I'm going to dip into this black color to draw basically bottom lash line. I draw it really close to my lash line. A little bit on the top too, just to smoke the eyeliner a little bit. It actually doesn't look bad in real life. I don't know if it looks like Jennie though. Okay, I want to say eye makeup. No, not done. She has like 2 crystals or rhinestones in the inner corners of her eyes, but I don't have them and I don't want to buy them, so I'm just gonna use a little bit of lighter shimmery color in the inner corner to open up my eyes. Let's move on to contour. For contouring, I'm using my contour palette from Smashbox. A lot of contour on the forehead. I feel like her eyebrows are actually not as thick. I'm gonna fix my eyebrows real quick. Alright, I tried my best. Why did I sigh? I'm gonna move on to blush. I'm gonna use my Pink the Town brush from NYX. I just realized I never did nose contour. I need nose contour. That's the face. Oh, eyelashes. It seems like she's wearing pretty natural falsies. These are the natural ones that I have. I think I should have curled my eyelashes before applying the falsies. Well, what's done is done. This time I'm gonna do it right. Now, eyelashes are done. I don't know why I did that. Moving on to the lips, it seems like she's wearing a very nude pink color. The only pinkish color I have is Double Dare from Kat Von D. I'm going to try to make it work by applying a tiny bit on my lips. I'm not sure if Jennie's wearing highlighter. I'm just gonna put some highlighter on me because I love it. Alright, the makeup is done and now I'm going to change my clothes and give myself the final makeover. Be right back.